But what do kids like more than crispy shrimp? Popcorn chicken, baby. Popcorn chicken. That's good just as it is. With some ketchup and mustard. But we're not leaving it there. Thanks to the folks at Kiss, we're doing a popcorn chicken sandwich using the full range of Kiss hot dog rolls. So we're taking these hot dog rolls and piling up a nice hearty sandwich for their lunch today. No worry for the parents, I have simple chicken here. Seasoned, salt, pepper, very same simple process, guys. This chicken is seasoned with salt and pepper, and I have flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. I'm going to re-season. So I have some salt, a little pepper, and I can mix that together and get my flour mixture all mixed in. You don't want to over-season here because remember, you would have seasoned your chicken. Yeah, in the Caribbean, we season up our chicken, and I've had that seasoning and resting there for a couple hours. So you don't want to over-season your breading. I'm leaving my eggs plain, egg wash plain. Here, I'm going to add some pepper, some salt, just a little, because here I have some Parmesan cheese, guys. Parmesan cheese is going in here just to give this a little extra layer of cheesy, salty flavor. And I'm going to mix that all together, get that all combined. So this is a Parmesan breadcrumb mixture. Trust me, and this really makes a huge difference. Yeah? And we're ready. So, just as we did with the shrimp, we're going. I could probably get a couple. So look at the size. It's really bite size because you want it bite size. When you bite into it, pop into your mouth, and there you go, kind of thing. So I just want to get a couple of them in there, and then straight into my egg wash. Remember I said this is my wet hand. Cover it with the egg wash, and then with my dry hand, I'll work my breadcrumbs. So you get all of them in there. So I can multitask a bit and get all of them kind of just coated nicely. And they are ready to go in my hot pan. So guys, this is where you gotta have to kind of watch it. This can cook very quickly based on these bite-sized pieces. This can brown very, very quickly. You want to probably leave it for about a minute on this side. Turn it and kind of just monitor it. So I kind of ready to turn this already. There you go. So you see that nice brown color? You're getting there already. That's what you want. A little trick now, because I'm shallow frying here, guys. But a little trick is to lean the pot in to get a kind of quick deep fry. So you lean the pot in when you turn, and you get a nice deep fry there, everything kind of frying up there nicely. And you gotta monitor it, as I said, this is 2 to 3 minutes before it's ready. No more than 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. What happens when you're frying food and meat like this is that there's a little process when you take it off of the fire, it continues cooking. There is some residual cooking that takes place. So sometimes you're waiting for it to cook here. And when you take it off, it continues cooking a little while, and then it gets overcooked. So right now, I'm kind of ready to take my chicken out and just allow the oil, just to dot the oil. Courtesy of the folks at the Kiss Baking Company, we have 2 of these lovely hot dog rolls that we are going to build a popcorn sandwich with, that the kids are going to just love. So I'm just kind of cranking my hot dog bread. So the first thing I want to do is to get some mayonnaise inside at the base of these sandwiches. So mayonnaise is just that kind of wonderful glue that kind of will hold everything, all the ingredients in the sandwich together, and every bite you're going to get that nice moist flavor. And from there, who says Uncle Joel not healthy? Yeah, we have some spinach. You could use some lettuce if you also have that as well. But it's really just to get some green and kind of just bury a nice layer of lettuce or spinach. And I have some cheddar cheese. And I really just want to stick 2 slices to the sandwich, just at the base. And now it's time for the popcorn chicken. So I'll take a couple and you just really want to pile them up, guys, as much as the sandwich can take, and you finish it off with some ketchup and mustard. And lunch is served. Come and get it, guys. Popcorn chicken sandwich. I've got to bite into one of these. Home Sweet Home is brought to you in part by the Kiss Baking Company.